How can I view my AirDrop history on iPhone?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how you can view your AirDrop history on your iPhone. AirDrop is a fantastic feature that allows you to effortlessly share files with other Apple devices nearby. But have you ever wondered if there's a way to keep track of your AirDrop activity? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to view your AirDrop history on your iPhone. Let's get started.
Accessing AirDrop settings.
The first step is to access your AirDrop settings on your iPhone. Open your iPhone's control center by swiping down from the top right corner, or up from the bottom on some older iPhone models. You'll see a set of icons, including AirDrop. Press and hold the AirDrop icon, and you'll be taken to the AirDrop settings.
Checking AirDrop history.
Once you're in the AirDrop settings, you'll find various options, including the ability to choose who can see your device when using AirDrop. However, what we're interested in today is checking our AirDrop history. Scroll down the AirDrop settings page until you reach the Receiving Off option. This section displays a list of all the devices that have attempted to send files to your iPhone via AirDrop.
Exploring the AirDrop history.
Here comes the interesting part. Tap on any entry in the AirDrop history to view more details. You'll see information such as the device name, the time and date of the AirDrop attempt, and even a preview of the file that was sent. If you want to know more about a particular AirDrop, tap on Share to open the sharing options and take further action.
Clearing AirDrop history.
If you ever want to clear your AirDrop history and start fresh, it's quite simple. Go back to the AirDrop settings page and scroll down to the Receiving Off section. Tap on Clear All, and your AirDrop history will be wiped clean. Keep in mind that clearing the history will permanently remove all the entries, so make sure you don't need any of that information before proceeding. Congratulations! You've now learned how to view your AirDrop history on your iPhone. By accessing the AirDrop settings, you can easily check the devices that have attempted to send files to your iPhone via AirDrop. Remember, you can also explore the details of each AirDrop entry and even clear your history if you ever need to. AirDrop is a fantastic feature that enhances the convenience of file sharing, and now you have a way to keep track of your AirDrop activity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.